What's up, guys? It's December 12th, 2024. We had a down day in the markets. It was a range bound and then we sold off. Daily chart right here, 15-minute chart. So yesterday's price action, we had a gap up. We rallied. My dog hasn't made a sound all day. I don't think you guys can hear that. He's outside my room this time. Gap up, rallied like one, pull back like two, pull back like three, and a higher low. This higher low had a gap down and a sell off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bear bars. The gap down is a bear bar. You can count this as one bar. You can say 6, 7. The point is, this is trying to get a second leg. Is this trying to get a second leg? It could be. But right now, it looks like on the daily chart, these two bars got a look leg one, deep pullback, and a leg two. For leg two to be complete, it has to go one tick below the prior low, which would be December 10th day. So we're about a little bit under, about 12 points away from completing the bearish leg two. Oh, wow. My math is bad. We're about 16.5 points away from completing the prior day's leg two. A couple of days prior to leg two. Range bound, 3 bars down, trying to get a leg lower. Huge bar up. So this 15-minute bar is 3 5-minute bars. 1, 2, 3. So that means this is also strong enough to get a leg up. So now we have a micro channel against a micro channel, which means we're going to go range bound. We have 2 micro channels, so 3 bars one way, 3 bars another way. It's more likely we would go sideways, unless it's a shallow pullback. But even if it's a shallow pullback, if you get 3 bars in one direction, see, 3 bars, shallow pullback, rallied, and that ultimately had a sell. It's better to get out in 3 bars in one direction because that could get us its own second leg. And yeah, on the 15-minute chart, leg one, pullback, leg two, deep pullback. Excuse me. Leg one, pullback, leg two, deep pullback. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Creates a wedge top. These bars don't go past here, so it creates a higher low. Right? Oh no, excuse me, creates a lower high. Yesterday has a top, lower high, bearish price action, leg one, pullback, leg two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5-bar micro channel on the 15-minute chart. Gonna have to get a second leg down. That's about right here on this price action. So we have a gap down. Bar one being a bear bar after a gap down is good. It shows that bears are shorting lows. Then we have a pullback. It creates a wedge bottom. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. After the third leg, we are range bound. That doesn't mean we're gonna go completely up. We could go sideways for a bit, but just know there's more. Typically, the probabilities say once we get to the third leg, the chances for subsequent legs significantly go down. So we're trying to trade probabilities, and the way to trade, be on the right side of probabilities, is understanding the market cycle and the leg count. And then you get into the nitty gritty. How much is this breakout gonna have follow through? Is this not gonna follow through? Is this pullback gonna have a leg two? And what do I mean by is this pullback gonna have a leg two? Right here, this is a good example. So we have this bull leg, and then these 3 bear bars, and then we say, is this pullback gonna get a leg two? It does right here. But then look, even what is that? 17 is trying to get a leg two. So leg one, pullback, 2, pullback, leg 3. It's a wedge bottom. Above the wedge bottom is a bull flag. We're above the EMA with a strong gap up. You can just start to break down the nuance. You keep breaking down over and over again. So it's good. So we have 3 legs lower, wedge bottom, bar 9, bad follow through, big tail, a lot of bullish pressure at lows. Bar 10 sells off and rallies, so it's a reversal. It's not an outside bar because this low didn't go below here, but it is closing strongly above bar 9's range. And then we get good follow through 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is the first bear bar. I think this micro channel is strong to get second leg. I think this micro channel is strong to get second leg. But within this microchannel, it already had 3 legs. Within this microchannel, we only see bull bars. So we start to assess the probabilities, what's stronger. And in this case, this bull leg was stronger. 15, first reversal, you can buy that. I didn't trade today, but if I was, I don't think I would buy this. I think I would buy around here because of the gap down. It's a little harder to buy this bear bar in case the bears get some sort of double top and sell. Nonetheless, this bar 15 is testing this breakout point. We have multiple gaps open, so 2 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars. And it gets its second piece, 1819. 1819 Sean to get a second piece, shallow pullback 2021. By the EMA right here, and you're gonna have to scalp out or you're underwater pretty quick. So 23 through 30, 7 bull bars, right? 7 bear bars. 1, 2, 3, 8 bull bars. Gotta count that one too. 8 bull bars. 8. I keep saying bull bars. 8 bear bars. I think Sean's to get its second leg, but what were we just talking about on the daily and the 15? Big up, big down, micro channel, and then we get another micro channel. So now the market is definitely range bound because we had one micro channel down here, one micro channel up here, another micro channel. Pretty big sell off. That test bar 9's high. There's a small gap open, 30. Good bull bar. Gets followed through 32, gets followed through 33, 34. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, wedge bottom, 2 legs down, second leg trap, 39. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, second leg trap, shorting into support, rallies again, 3 bull bar, struggling to get its own second leg. Bar 40 goes 1 tick up above bar 43, which means it's shot, which means the second leg is complete for this leg. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, lots of overlap. Once the market travels 1 tick past the prior swing, that leg could be complete. That's the minimum. The minimum was met. And the day gets fun around bar 48. You start to get those breakout bars. I can see how it's very easy to get chopped up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bar micro channel, bear micro channel. Bar 54 is that tick going right below. 1 second. So bar 54 went 1 tick past this leg, so you could say it got its second leg. But now we have 48, 49, 50, 51. Chance to get a second leg. And you could argue 54 also went 1 tick past here. However, we see 55. This is an inside bar, so it's still within the swing. 51 did break this previous. Did it break the? 1 second here, guys. Let me see. So the high here is 78.75. The high is 78.75. Yeah, so 51's high is 79. So it went 1 tick past. So you could say this is the start of the leg 2. So what do I mean by that? Leg 1 breaks the high, trend line break. We're in the second leg. Inside bar still within this first leg. I'm counting this as 1 leg down. 55 sells off and reverses, creates a pullback. 56 strong enough to get its own second leg down. It trapped bulls because it traded 1 tick higher than 55, reversed lower. 57 also has a bull tail, so it rallied and sold off, trapping bulls again. And then we get here 58 tags. The bull stops that bought here, bought lower. They're gonna get trapped. 56, 59, big sell off. 60 inside bar and go more sideways. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, and now we're in the third leg. You could say leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. In the third leg, we're going range bound. 61, or actually the range started here, so 59 through 76, 77, 59 through 79. Really? 59? That's 20 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, just about 20 bars. That's enough to reset the market cycle. We go sideways. Very long time. Leg 1, deep pullback for the bulls. Leg 2, 73. Doesn't break far past the EMA at all. It closes on the EMA. 74, we see more sellers. And then we have a second leg down here. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And then we have within that leg fractal legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, 3. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. So yeah, we'll just go over the micro channels. I'll draw some gaps in and call it good. No 3 bars in a row. You have 3 bars in a row here. By the reversal, obviously 1-to-1 has failed. But with that being said, this wedge top price structure is complete. So I think you got to start getting out. If you don't get out around here, you definitely got to start getting out with these 3 bear bars, 20, 30, 24, 25. And this is trying to get its own second leg. Let's just put it around 48. Stop up here. 1.5 hours met after a lot of sideways price action. I don't think it's good to sit through that. This could become a reversal for the trading on the low of the day, usually in range bound price action. And this is a range. Big up, big down, big up, big down. The breakout point acted as resistance. R9's low was the middle, was the apex. What is that? Not apex, that's not the right word. Whatever. Was the middle for this range, and the middle for this range could be a magnet. It sells off 78, 79, 77, 78, 79. So we see those big legs here. That's that. That's that. So 3 bars here, trying to get its own second leg. That obviously fails, but that price structure is complete with the tail on 48. So this high tick here, put it above 52. That's met here. Then we have another strong leg here. Put it on above 73 and 1-to-1's met. When we have train ranges, it's better to go for 1-to-1 instead of 1.5R. Here, 1.5R is met. Just drawing some gaps. Gaps are important because they help us read the context. So if we're in the third leg, right, we're in the third leg, and we see gaps closing, that adds to our like idea or hypothesis. I'm not too sure what the right word for that is. Multiple gaps becoming open on this pair leg, but in trading ranges, gaps close. In trends, gaps stay open. Few gaps are open. Can't see it, but there's a gap on the EMA. I'm gonna just delete it because it looks cluttered. Gap here. So these gaps are open. Gets closed here. Bar 10 is high. Access support for this rally. And these gaps get closed here. See how market's sideways and gaps are closing? Gaps could be targets, but I don't trade like that. And then these bear gaps start to stay open. And that creates enough bearish pressure for these later legs at the end of the day. Guys, as always, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. I had to do a little splicing and cutting this video because it's raining and my dog was barking. So hope you guys had a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. We had some legs lower today, so hope you capitalize on that. I'm not trading for the majority of September. I'll probably take a couple trades at the end of September. And I do have some cool things planned for the channel next year. I'm working on a few things and trying to get the vibe right. So yeah, stay tuned. It'll be fun. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.